Hi, welcome back. My name is Afwa, and in today's video we are going to talk about why the English sounds of b and b are problematic for Indonesians.
And I am not alone here. I'm with two of my favorite cousin. Come here. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Kintan.
My name is Alza.
And let's get started. Alright, let's start with minimal pair. Big pig.
Big pig.
B P.
Big pig.
It still sounds the same, right?
How do you make it different?
Alright, here's the explanation. Words that start or end with P and B can be a little bit tricky. These two sounds take the same mouth positions, that is, lips in tight contact and the airstream coming out through the mouth when it is opened. We call them the bilabial stops. The differences are voice and voiceless. The sound B is voice, meaning when we produce the sounds, the vocal folds vibrate, b. And the sound P is voiceless, meaning when we produce the sounds, air passes through the mouth, meanwhile the vocal folds do not vibrate, b. So, why is it kind of problematic for Indonesians? The English phoneme p is aspirated, while Indonesians isn't. Take for example, the English p sounds like pet, simple, lip, while Indonesians pasar, siapa, kakap. And for the English phoneme b, we tend to reduce the voice quality, thus making b similar to p. For example, in these words, robe, rope, bed, pet.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for being here with me.
For sure.
See you later. Bye.